COVID cases in the county are steadily increasing, with more than 390 positive cases last week.
Although these numbers are lower than other parts of the country, we must take action now to slow the increase and protect those most at risk in our county.
This will also help protect health and social care services as we head into winter months, where demand for these services is at its highest. To help, we are today announcing 6 additional steps that we'll be implementing across Gloucestershire. We'll of course continue to work and support businesses and individuals follow the guidance, but we will take action where there is a lack of cooperation.
This could mean the closure of an event or a place if they are not COVID safe.
And affix penalty fines, which could cost them hundreds or thousands of pounds. We want to help people to isolate when they have tested positive.
From next week, we'll be calling to make sure people have access to food, medicines and other support to make sure they can complete their isolation period.
If we can't contact people on the phone, we will have firefighters standing by to knock on doors to check all is well.
This week, we'll be writing to care home managers recommending all visits are suspended.
We know this will be really hard on families and their loved ones, and it's not a decision we have taken lightly, but it is essential if we are going to minimise the COVID impact on those most at risk. Known nationally as marshals, these new officers will be out on the streets from next week. Not enforcing, but advising, helping and supporting us all to understand and follow the guidance.
We will write soon to those on the county's shielded list. There is no requirement for people to fully shield at the moment, but it's right that people on the list take additional steps to keep themselves safe.
We'll be advising people who are on the list to reduce their social contacts, remind them of the support and advice that is available to them, and to take other steps to keep themselves safe, such as getting the seasonal flu jab.
And finally, we are redoubling our efforts to remind people to keep up the hand washing, social distancing and wearing a face covering as required.
We know this is difficult.
And we know everyone has had enough, but we are now heading into choppier waters.
And therefore it's really important that we all do what we can to minimise the spread of COVID in Gloucestershire. Let's do it for each other. Let's slow the spread of COVID.